Hi, this is Skeeter, and welcome to Parallels Access. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to copy and paste between the remote application and iPad apps within Parallels Access. There are two methods to copy and paste between applications, regardless of the operating system your remote computer is running. We'll start with the native iPad method, and then we'll look at the method you would use on your computer. Here you can see I am in Microsoft Word running on a remote computer, and there are several methods that I can use to select both text and graphics. To select a single word in this paragraph, I will move my finger over the word and double tap. To select an entire paragraph, I can move to a different paragraph and triple tap my finger on any word in that paragraph. For more control, I can also hold down my finger until I get the magnifying glass, and while holding down my finger, drag across the screen until I have the desired text selected. Notice that in both cases the selection pins appear on either side of my selected text so that I can easily change the selections by dragging to the left or right of the selected content. Once selected, notice that I get the standard iPad selection controls like you get with any iPad app to select, copy, paste, and more. Now let's copy this text and add it to a note I'm working on with my iPad. I'm going to quickly switch over to Notes. Now that I'm there, I'm going to single tap on the page where I want this text and select Paste. You can see that the copy text is now in the document. Now I'm going to PowerPoint to select this picture by double tapping it and selecting Copy. Now using the task switcher, I'm going to go back into Microsoft Word and paste this image. I tap and hold on the area of the page where I want the graphic and then select Paste. If you'd prefer to use the computer method of cutting and pasting text and graphics, Parallels Access makes this easy to do too. Here we are in Microsoft Word 2013 on our PC. I'm going to select this text just like before by triple tapping on the paragraph to select. Now using the Copy button, I'm going to tap on its icon, and I've copied this text to my clipboard. There are two other methods I can use to copy this text. I could use the Parallels Access keyboard and tap Ctrl and then C for copy. I can also access the secondary pop-up menu built into apps by tapping on the word More and then tapping Copy. As you can see, Parallels Access lets you work the way you are most comfortable. With our text selected within Microsoft Word, now let's go back to an app running on our Mac and paste this text. As you can see, with Parallels Access, I can easily cut and paste text not only between apps running on the iPad, but also Windows, Mac, and PC applications. For more videos and product information, please visit www.parallels.com/products/access.